of course, magsimula tayo sa University Series. We have today Marco Gallo. There we go. Also with us, Aubrey Caraan. Hello, Marco. Have a seat. Nicole Amelia is also here. Ayan. There we go. Hi, Nicole. Very bubbly and beautiful as always. Ayan. Eto na, the representatives of the University Series, Aubrey, Nicole, and Marco. We will hear more from them later as we go along. But for now, let's call in the cast of Genius the Series. Why not? Hyacinth Caliata is here with us today. Come and join me here, Hyacinth. Wow, there we go. Alright, let's call in the cast of Seducing Drake Palma. We have Frost Sandoval. There you have it, Frost. Hello. Also joining us here, Angela Multi. And of course, Drake Palma himself. Let's come to Robin Angeles. There we have it. The artists from Seducing Drake Palma. We have, of course, Frost, Angela, and the Robin Angeles. Let's proceed with the cast of Amod Galang Section E. Let's start with the members of GAP Gawang Ating To, starting off with Ethan. Let's call in Michael Keith. Also with us is Derek Ong. Last but not the least, Hans Baronda. I think we're missing one person here. Let's call her in. Amadia herself, Ashley Lovina. There we go. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. You are now seeing the artists who will perform sa Viva Arcada on August 15. We have representatives from the University Series, Bad Genius the Series, Seducing Drake Palma, and of course, Amodya ng Section E. All that happening on August 15 sa Viva Arcada, the Big Dome. Palakpakan natin one more time, guys. Show some love one more time. I love that. Maraming salamat. Okay, I know you guys are feeling excited to answer the questions na bibigay sa atin ng media friends natin. Once again, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to the press conference of Viva Arcada. Before we start, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our friends from the press once again. And of course, Miss Carmencita Hill, our VP Corporate and PR. Where is Miss Carmencita? Ayan. She's somewhere there, pero maraming salamat po. We appreciate you. My name is EJ Villavicencio, and welcome to this exciting afternoon as we gear up for a unique experience featuring this exciting event, the ultimate fan meet and concert of the hottest young artists of Viva that will happen again on August 15. We are live on the VAA Live and Viva Artists Agency Facebook pages, so guys, feel free to share the live stream so everyone can participate in this very exciting event. Alright, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, ready na din ako. Let's start. We are ready to start the question and answer portion. So, members of the press, asan po yung microphone natin? Ayan. Pupunta po sa inyo si ating Viva staff to hand the microphone. Alright, let us begin. First on the list, we have from Abante the Night, Sir Jun Lalit.
Hello, yan. Good afternoon. Correct ko lang, no? Abante, oo. Pero sa amin din yung Abante tonight. Kasi papunta ko yung editor. Anyway, siya, congratulations. Yan, we're all so excited for Viva Arcada. Ang bongga, no? Sunod-sunod yung mga special appearances nila. Pero yan, tatanong ko muna si Robin. Robin, nakita kita, isa ka sa pinakamaaga na dumating dito. Nakakatuwa, no? Na ang maaga din natin nag-start kasi ang maaga nyo. Maraming nasabi nga sa akin ni Direk Crisanto Aquino na yun, very professional kayo ni Angela. Yeah. When it comes to call time, you're always early.
Yeah. Palagi po ako dapat maaga.
Yeah, pero yun nga, nakakatuwa kasi na kahit viral ka, kahit sikat na sikat kayo ngayon, even the Drake Parma series mo, Drake Parma series mo, ay talaga naman dinudumog na pinapanood, di ba? Malapit na rin sa Free TV, di ba? O ang bilis, di ba? Yun nga, still, ang nakakatuwa sa'yo, kitang-kita na hindi ka nag-change. Actually, may mga changes but for the better, di ba?
Yes,
hindi lumalaki daw yung ulo mo. Yeah, including Angela also. So, anong masasabi niyo doon sa mga, kasi yung iba pag sumikat na, ang dami mong negative na naririnig, di ba? May mga iba, parang hindi na-appreciate na sinasabi na nawawala yung privacy nila, they need to rest, kailangan ng pahinga, rest day, di ba? Pero kayo, never daw kayo nagreklamo.
Yes po. Ako naman po parang thankful pa po ako na gano'n. Hindi po talaga ako magre-reklamo kahit ano mangyari. Kahit everyday pa yung gano'n. Palagi na po ako nagpapasalamat.
Yeah.
Ako naman po, grateful din po ako na I'm very grateful that I'm busy with the things that I love in life. Kasi minsan lang po dumating yung mga ganitong chances and yung opportunity na ganito, hindi na po talaga dapat pakawalan. I'm just very grateful.
Yeah, okay, para sa majority or lahat kayo, no? Kasi yun nga, speaking of privacy, yung rest, yung ibang nanginginig, sunod-sunod yung mga ganap nyo, sunod-sunod yung mga fan meet, no? Gano'n kayo ka-excited, lalo na ngayon, Araneta Coliseum na from New Frontier at saka yung mga malls, di ba? Pupunuin nyo na this time ang Araneta Coliseum.
Nita, you wanna answer?
Well, syempre po, lahat po kami sobrang saya. Especially now it's a bigger family, the whole Viva Arcada family, Viva One yung family po. Sobrang saya po namin kasi syempre, ito na yan, magsasama-sama na lahat ng series. And maraming salamat po kasi hindi kumulan wala po sa fans, hindi po kami dating sa ganito. Dahil NFT lang po ang marap namin ngayon nasa Sparta rin na place. So, marami po kami hinahanap surpresa para sa inyo and for sure mag-enjoy po.
Ang bongga, di ba, Astin? Oo. Ang bongga, lahat kayo, ang bongga, even Viva One, di ba? So, anong paghahanda? Anong may mga surprises pa kayo for us? Yan? Anong aabangan namin, Astin?
Ngayon po, bago po ako sumagot, gusto ko lang pong mag-hello po sa inyo lahat. Sa mga press po and sa mga supporters po namin lahat na pumunta dito. Thank you so much. And hello po, Direk po. Basta media, hello po. Yes, ayun po, marami po kayong dapat abangan. Isa po doon, isasabi ako isa, may mga prod po na all girls. Yes.
Magsasama-sama kayo.
Yes, kaya sobrang exciting po kasi, di ba po sa Amutianang section, sobrang konti lang po namin girls. Pero ngayon, kasama po namin yung Viva Arcada girls, kaya sobrang happy. At sila Aubrey, sila Nicole, naka-work na din po sila before, kaya sobrang happy po talaga ako. And I'm excited to work with Haya. Super pretty Haya.
Ang bongga. Pero, sandali, anong aabangan sa inyo ni Andres? Siyempre, yun ang gusto malaman.
Surprise!
Pero definitely may number kayo.
Opo.
Asan daw si Andres? Ba't wala siya?
Busy po.
Busy? Hindi niya sinabi sa'yo. Bakit? Hindi kayo magka-text. Dapat alamin mo later. Yeah, pero congratulations. We're all excited for the Viva One, Viva Arcada sa Araneta.
Thank you so much po.
Yeah, good luck.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Sir Junalin. Alright, let's proceed with Bandera, Irvin Santiago.
Hello? Wait lang. Hello guys. First question ko, kung sino yung gustong sumagot? Paano yung sisiguruhin na mag-enjoy, na matutuwa at uuwing masayang-masaya yung mga fans kapag nanood sila ng Ultimate FanCon and Grand Concert ninyo? Si Ashti muna. Kasi siya
Sabi niyo po, sino gusto mo?
Sige, Ashti.
Kami po, make sure po talaga namin, na ibibigay po talaga namin yung best namin. Lahat ng mga, kung ano man yung gagawin namin, makaspin man yan, kung sino man yung kakanta, kung sino man yung sasayaw. Make sure po namin na ibibigay po namin yung best namin at i-enjoy po namin yun para kung ano man yung nararamdaman namin sa loob namin, enjoyment, yung sayang nararamdaman namin, make sure po namin na mapapasa po namin sa mga manonood. And syempre gagawin po namin kung ano po rin yung ina-expect at yung mga gusto po nila.
So, make sure nyo nakikiligin talaga yun.
Yes.
Sino kayo gusto sumagot?
Sa akin naman po, yung make sure namin na may enjoy nila sa pag-alis po nila sa Araneta. Because I think first time nila makikita, mapapanood na magsama-sama yung bawat cast ng each series po sa Viva One. And I think magkakaroon din sila ng chance to see us perform live. Because hindi aware lahat na some of us are singers, dancers, iba-ibang talent din po, not just acting. So I think yun. Ayun, I think, I feel like hindi lang sila yung ma-excite or matutuwa. Dahil kasi pati kami, we're very excited with the production that we'll be doing. Kasi halo-halo po kami. So it's going to be an experience for all of us. At unang makakapanood, of course, our fans. So we're very, very excited for everyone.
Si Mark.
Siguro siguro ang pinaka-feeling ko makukuha nila from the concert. Nalaman ko lang to recently. May papandesal si Joy sa tingin ko. Yeah. Medyo ready na siya. Magma-magic mic siya kasama ni Lance.
How about you, Marco? Kasi napansin namin talagang parang bortang-bortang.
Wala.
Meron din ba?
Magic mic? Baka, hindi imposible. Hindi ko po alam. Meron po kaming performance ng voice. Pero, na lang. Anyways.
Sino pa po?
Ano po, I think it's gonna be a big treat for everyone kasi nung nalaman ko about the concert, it's kind of like the Marvel universe. Like, alam mo yung Spider-Man, all the different Spider-Mans come together. Parang ganun. So everyone gets to see all their favorite characters all in one big show. Siyempre, I'm excited din for G18 kasi it's our first time performing as a group dun sa Araneta. And so I'm excited kami kasi we have something very special for you guys. And so may special group din po kami for the fans. At sana magustuhan niyo.
Meron pa ko. Si Hyacinth, parang may pasabog na mga Blackpink or mga K-pop.
I don't know, they said it all, but the only thing coming up in my head is that, of course, as much as we can, we'll display our most truest authenticity because at the end of the day, that's what our fans love. They love us for who we are, so I know we can give our all, but we don't have to try too hard. Does that make sense? Yeah. Of course, there's effort.
Thank you guys, salamat.
Thank you so much. Let's call in from tonight, Ian Fariñas.
Hi, good afternoon, boys and girls. Andito si Direk, no? Direk Paul.
Yes, paano po si Direk sa Tech Bull?
Oh, isa na naman ang tanong ko kay Direk. Baka pwedeng bigyan ng mic si Direk. Direk, sa dami ng mga batang ito, at syempre lahat sila are aiming for a spot dun sa show. Paano po yung distribution ng numbers, yung exposure, in terms of exposure, how will you make sure that they will have equal exposure sa concert?
Yes, so as much as we can, we'd like to do it sana isang buong araw para lahat sila may performance and may show. But unfortunately, we can only do as much. Siguro mga enough na yun, 4 na oras, 3 oras siguro with production number para masaya yung lahat ng fans. Of course, each and everyone will be representing the series that they are starred in. So, gagaya ng sabi nila, merong mga girls plot yun, merong mga boys plot. Hopefully, may mga duets, inaasahan sila, and of course, mga group performances. But we're very aware of the timing kasi sa sobrang dami nila, kailangan mapagkasya namin siya doon sa oras na binibigay ng Araneta. So, equal billing siguro for everyone. And at the same time, I don't wanna promise a lot, but marami kaming pasabog na performances na gagawin.
Thank you, Dylan.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Alright, let's call in from Anong Ganap, Erwin Agawa.
Hello guys! Okay, Erwin from Anong Ganap. So, curious lang ako, nakapag-perform na ba kayo sa Araneta individually? Kung naalala, as in first time nyo lahat? Kasi from 2,000 ang capacity ng New Frontier to 20,000, almost 16,000, di ba? Araneta. So, how does it feel na Araneta levels na kayo? Ashley, nakapag-perform na ba before?
Parang before po, yung nakapag-front up po kami before sa Araneta. And this time po na babalik po kami na parang kami na po talaga mismo yung papanoodin doon. Eh sobrang nakakatuwa po talaga ng puso. Sobrang dream come po talaga po.
So, kung kayo yung masusunod, ano yung mga gusto nyo kantahin for yourself?
So, kasi naalala ko lang po nung, kasi before, nung nagpo-practice kami ni Aubrey para sa, sabi namin, sayo kami, girls, ganyan. Tapos nag-play sa Spotify yung Don't siya.
Yes, Pussycat Dolls.
Tapos sabi ko, ay, pwede namin po. Yung pwede naisip siya. Ikaw?
G.
Ayun din, looking forward sa all-girls prod. And I think, ano rin, gusto ko din yung magkaroon kami ng chance to sing. Sing and dance, kami girls. Yeah. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung next specific song, but yeah, I hope na magawa namin ng maayos.
Ako, I'm just excited kasi the first time I performed in Araneta was for Indak and our director was Paul. And ngayon, the next time, ngayon hindi na siya parang guest lang.
Nag-full circle.
Din. So, so sobrang...
Full circle na.
Yes, and this means a lot kasi namiss ko si Direk and I'm very, very excited to do this kasi ito yung expertise niya concerts. I mean, Sarah G and everything. So, sobrang idol namin to si Direk pagdating sa ganitong klaseng production. So, abangan niyo na lang po.
And Robin, what can we expect from you? Another dance hot dance number na naman ba?
Abangan na lang po natin.
Yes.
Pero dance po siguro.
Yes. Okay. Good luck. Best of luck sa lahat. See you around.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Erwin. Now, let's proceed with Pulp Magazine, AC Castillo.
Hello po, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations po sa inyong upcoming grand concert. Yay! First of all, nag-start na po ba kayo mag-prepare para sa grand concert po ninyo? Anyone can answer?
As GAT po, yes, we have a lot of stuff coming. There's definitely a big surprise for that event. We're super excited with yung performance namin kasi may prepare kami ngayon. So, sana magustuhan nyo. And we're extending our sessions. We're doing every day now. We're going full out. So, we're super excited.
Since na-mention mo po na marami kayong pine-prepare and this would be your first performance as a group, ano kaya yung kaabang-abang na dapat i-anticipate talaga ng fans or ng mga manonood sa araw na to? Like, may po-perform ba kayong kakaiba? Like, for example, own singer?
Yes po. Pe-perform po namin yung I think yung debut single po namin.
Sana po umabot.
Sana. And then with everyone po naman, yung mga prod po, inaayos ko po yung mga prods namin para equal din po yung prods namin lahat. So, we're looking forward to, mag-rehearse na kami all together. Siguro chaotic yun, pero masaya.
Yeah, so, branding ko kasi ito pag nagtatanong sa mga press ko. Anyone can answer naman. If i-describe nyo yung Viva Arcada Grand Concert into one word, what would it be and why?
Frost, you wanna answer?
Put it into one word. It's really hard. There's so much happening in that concert. I think we'll just keep it simple. Grand. It's in the title. Grand family, grand convention, grand concert. Grand is in the name. Grand is what you can expect. So that was
Alright, somebody from Univercada.
I think magulo. Pwede ko masabihin yun. I think it's magulo talaga. Pero not in a way na sasakit ulo nyo. Pero masaya kasi kami siguro pagka nandun na sa stage. So kung meron pa kaming magawa na nagkukurutan or biglang, alam mo yun, feeling ko maraming mga behind the scenes dapat, pero may kita nyo on stage. So that is something I guess y'all have to see. So ay magulo yung word ko.
Angela Muji, wanna answer?
Both. It's going to be amazing and full of fun. Wala, hindi ko ma-one word kasi ang dami namin. So, yeah, like what she said, it's gonna be magulo, pero in a good way.
Ako siguro yung one word ko, magiging unforgettable siya. Since first time namin itong gagawin, na magkakasama kami na gagawin namin yung bagay na gusto namin talagang ginagawa. And ayun, makasama pa namin yung mga supporters namin, yung family namin, and of course, sa Araneta pa. Kaya sobrang thankful talaga. Ayun. Last thing na-mention kasi sa press release na merong upcoming show ang Viva. Would you give us any idea kung ano ba yung mga surprise about that upcoming show? Or kung isa din ba yon sa mga abangan sa Grand Concert?
Siguro mas maganda if doon na lang nila malalaman. Kasi if nasabi na namin, hindi na siya surprise.
Diba? Oo nga naman. So, ayun lang naman. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you, Polly.
Oh man. Thank you so much. Alright, now let's have a TikTok content creator, Jaiko TV, Jaiko Manangan.
Hello everyone! Congratulations! This is it, Araneta na. And my first question, anyone who can answer naman, no? Since this is a concert, hands-on din ba kayo sa pagpili ng mga prod nyo or set list dito sa concert nyo? Or may mga request pa kayo na concept na gusto nyo gawin? Tapos pitch ninyo kay Direk. Anyone who can answer?
Yes, Michael Key?
Ano po, I think our team has been doing a really great job, especially since we had their 2-day Section 8 Nation, which at OST recently. With those types of products, they've been doing really good at giving us numbers then, but then they also give us creative freedom then as well. And so we like to collaborate with the team, and so we're being as hands-on as we can as possible. Siyempre, we have to, give the fans what we want, and siyempre, Viva knows exactly what the fans want. So, kaya nandito kami lahat kasi they gave you shows to choose.
Yes, I'll read.
Siguro masashare ko for now na performances namin would be the OSTs ng bawat series. So, mapapakinggan nyo kami na kantahin yung live or with the artist or the singer themselves. So, yun.
So we're looking forward to that. Ayan, ito naman, sino yung mga influencers nyo sa pagpa-perform? Like, sino yung mga idol nyo? Ashton, go.
Yes. Gusto mo sabay-sabay kami?
Go!
1, 2, 3, go! Sarah G! Woo! Yeah, syempre yun po talaga. Kasi bukod sa napakagaling na performer, napaka-humble po talagang tao. And sa tingin ko, ganun talaga yung mga dapat inahangaan po talaga.
Have you met her already?
Hindi pa po. Pero nag-perform po kami before sa NFT para sa isang, yun sa cosmetic na din po. And nakapag-pre-show po kami nun. Pero hindi ko po talaga siya na-meet sa iyo. Sana soon.
Sa mga boys, sino yung mga nilook up nyo na singers?
Sarah J din po.
Ako po si
Evan David.
I was about to say GAD. GAD.
Which by the way, ganda ng blending nyo sa Rainbow.
Thank you so much, bro.
So my last question naman kay Hyacinth. We heard you singing last night sa episode 1. Disney voice, parang wow. Are we gonna expect like ganong mga pang Disney na performance sa concert?
To be honest, I'm not so sure, but that would be very fun. I would love that. Thank you so much for being there last night.
Yeah, it was a good, di ba lahat tayo? Ang linis, yeah. Congratulations guys and looking forward to your concert.
Thanks so much. Let's call in another TikTok content creator, Ian Lee Estelia.
Hi, congratulations everyone sa upcoming grand concert. Yung question ko would be, lahat kayong showcase sa mga talents nyo dito. Anyone can answer. Pero ano yung pinaka talent na i-show nyo siguro na pinaka-excited kayo about? Kasi we all know na may mga kumakanta sa inyo, may sumasayaw. Meron ba sa inyong lumabas sa comfort zone nyo? Or nabanggit na ba sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyong gawin na parang medyo challenging para sa inyo? Anyone can answer?
I think it's time for me to show my shower skills to everyone. I think it's time to show kung gaano kalambot yung katawan mo.
Kasama ba lahat ng boys dun sa performance na yun?
Dapat lang po. Dapat lang. Kasi hindi ko to gagawin kapag hindi kasama sila.
And how about the others? Parang something na you are looking forward to, if may chance kayo na pumili na performing. Katulad sa'yo, Alison, di ba? You would like to sing katulad nung sa first episode last night.
Yeah, I mean, definitely I'm excited to sing. I don't do it as often as I used to, so I'm just looking forward to that. Looking forward to performing with everyone there. I don't know if they're gonna make me dance, but we're gonna see. I'm not very much of a dancer kasi.
Yeah. Sige, second question ko na would be, meron ba kaming pwedeng makuha kahit konting teaser from you guys ngayon?
Teaser?
Hindi, actually, kanina.
Yes, Derek. you want to say something?
Ano? Kakaiba ang tawag ko sa'yo. That's what you're gonna hear on August 13.
Bro, what? No.
That's all you get. Pero, it's a little teaser.
Hindi mo pa nabubuo, no? Hindi mo pa.
Ito naman, no?
Sige, I'm sure they want more. At least, 5 seconds, diba?
Yes, Michael, if you all want that.
That's
Sobrang teaser naman nun.
That's it. That's all we can get for now, pero...
Correct.
KJ naman.
If you guys follow the GAT Instagram pages or all our pages, we just posted a teaser or something very special. Kaya abangan nyo. We're so excited kasi I think this is also going to be our first time performing it then, and I mean, it's crazy. For the first time we're performing that song for the first time, but also for the first time in Araneta. So it's going to be super exciting. And yeah.
Pero sana direct mag-ano tayo na yung mga nagsasabitin sa taas. Na direct yung lumilipad, gano'n.
Oo, lumipad ko.
Baka pwede yun direct. Tapos mag-backflip, mga cheerleading.
Dapat may floating platform tayo direct.
Ayun, thank you. But ano yun? Sample daw ng shower scene? Hindi, joke lang. Yeah, thank you.
No. I'll give you the same length of the teaser na he did, okay? 3, 2, 1. Alright. That's exactly what you did there.
Thank you guys. Thank you. And congratulations, Manzan.
Marco, bitin naman nun. We want more.
Well, people have to come to the show and watch.
Alright. Thank you so much. And now let's proceed with Manila Bulletin. Bobby Urgantina.
Magandang po. Kay Marco muna. Ay Marco, new look. Bagong look yan. So, makakalimod start dyan sa itsura mo yan.
Salamat
Any
po.
story behind your new look? Para saan ba yan? Sa concert lang or upcoming project?
Actually, there is, hindi ko nga, asan ba si Kuya?
Can you share?
Yeah. Asan ka? Sa likod. Sige, bahala na, buto na lang nasa likod. May isang show, pero siguro hindi ko na lang po i-disclose muna kung sinong kasama. Hindi ko po sure kung pwede kong sabihin. Pero there's a show na apparently I'm playing this role that I'm older, tapos medyo may, hindi naman psycho, pero medyo may pagka-mysterious yung role for some reason dun sa kwento. Tapos ako personally, in-ask ko sana kung pwedeng magpakalbo for it. Kasi I need to look older, so ngayon kailangan ko magpakalbo, hence the mustache.
Nagpabalkap ka pa? Nagpabuff?
Trying ko. Pero sana matuloy kasi ang problema po ngayon, the next book is coming. Soon we're gonna be starting to shoot, like probably next month or 2 months. So ngayon, ang problema po, hindi po namin alam kung kaya kasi baka mag-overlap. But yeah.
Pero mukha ka rin superhero sa itsura mo, no? Gusto mo rin ba maging action star or something?
I mean, pwede naman.
Wow.
I would love to.
Captain Barbell, parang mga gano'n. Captain Barbell.
Na malayo pa po, ay mas madami pa pong mas malaki sa akin. Si Gablag man pa lang eh. So I need to catch up. Pero for sure, feeling ko before the year ends, baka may papandesal din ako.
Okay, last question kay Marco. May number pa kayong dalawa dito ni Heaven sa concert?
Yeah, I believe so. Medyo hot nga ata eh.
And then, second question sa Gat. Gat, congratulations, congratulations dahil yung song nyo na Dali-Dali was featured sa Binibining Pilipinas swimsuit competition. Kami nasa VIP seats, we were expecting na lalabas kayo, pero nakaloop lang pala yung sound nyo, no? yung kanta. So, pero were you able to watch the pageant sa TV?
We weren't able to watch, but we saw clips po sa TikTok. Okay. So, sinabi lang ng puno manager namin na, alam niyo boys, yung gusto ko nasa
mga 30 minutes lang pinapatugtog.
Kaya, I mean, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso, lalo na dumating na po sa national pageant po yung aming song na hindi namin in-expect na darating kami sa ganung level. Pero ayun po, sana po yung bagong single po namin na-release is napilitin po ng tao. Same way as namin natin.
Pwede, but of course this time, perform na kayo live sa Araneta.
Yes.
Perform nyo rin Daling-Dali.
Siyempre. Yes, of course. Lahat po ng OST.
And then last question, kanina yung perform Rainbow, yun na bang bagong direction ng style ng music na gusto nyo tahakin?
Actually po, Rainbow is one of our rendition na po. So, it's one of our pre-debut tracks. Pero yung pong bagong song po namin, different po sa mga ginagawa namin. That's what I can say po.
Okay, congratulations.
Salamat po.
Thanks so much. Now, let's call in from Pika Pika in Abante, Ana Pingon.